Hame. The sound of childhood mornings. My mother shaking out the greasocks in the range as light spills into the kitchen like an early guest and the day gets underway. I sit at the same old table now and feel the day begin. Stirring this memory of language, buried things slowly rise. Dreich winter mornings, keppin' beasts as a wane, scunnered, foundered to the bone, dumping barrow loads of pig shite in the midden, cowping the wheelbarrow at an angle, careful no to get japped wi' burning specks of dung. Owler now, clabbered to the oxters, weltins thick wi' muck and glaur, hefting a newborn calf across a winter field, it rescued from a shough and drowning in the water. I carry this foundered wee baste, slippery, starving and near still, heavy in my arms, while its mother, wild wi' fright, loses the heed and gives chase. Wild and wake, head low, guldern frae her throat, skating and high-stepping through the mud into madness. This living tongue was one I once misplaced. Moving out into the world, I withdrew from it, laid it by. Now I am ready to taste these words again, set them loose upon my tongue, this newly remembered voice, my coming home.